Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, and welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursday. What have we got today, Jamie?
Today we're making the fizzy apple cider.
Yes.
My mother was watching Ross's wife, Reese Witherspoons Instagram,
Yep.
and she made it, and we looked at it, looked pretty good, so thought we'd give it a go.
Give it a shot.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with 3 ounces of, it says apple cider, but we're gonna use some hard cider, just because that's what we want to do.
Pretty straightforward drink to make because you don't have to shake it or anything. You just pour in, you're probably going to put in about half of a glass of cider.
About 3 ounces of cider. Gonna do 1 ounce of Aperol in each glass.
This is a very fall type drink. It's got the apple, it's got the orange from the Aperol. And then Jamie's going to top this off.
I'm gonna put some club
Soda in there, so it's not too sweet. And then we're going to use some Prosecco to top it off. And Prosecco is just an Italian sparkling wine.
And this one we're using is Kirkland. So if you're around a Costco liquor store, this is a great price and it's actually really good quality. So give it a shot if you can.
Don't take my eye out. You're pointing that right at me. Okay.
We're gonna top with some Prosecco.
Should we stir this up? Should I grab that spoon?
Give it a light stir.
Okay. Almost like fall in a glass, doesn't it?
It looks like fall in a glass.
All right.
Get your apple garnish on there.
Oh, and don't forget to go and vote. All right.
All right.
Election season is coming up.
Good.
All right. Let's give this a shot.
Cheers. Whoa, that's really good.
Yeah. The fizzy apple cider.
Yeah, you could have a few of those.
Well, congratulations, Reese. You've made it to Tait Thirsty Thursday, and probably a big hit, if you ask me. It's going to be a #1 seller, I think.
Give it a shot.
Cheers, everyone.